Okay guys, so we are back on this, what was it? Fianna Force, okay. And we're on the front row, and this is a rare thing that you never see, a front row Baz POV. Let's do it. Hands in the air, or hands not in the air?
My eyes for the sun.
Oh, my eyes! Oh. I know, this is the one bad thing about being at the front. Oh man! Get ready! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm drooling! I'm crying! Oh my goodness! Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my goodness! Yeah! This is so good! So much air! So nice! Oh my...
Bean banana.
Bean banana. Okay. See. Lovely?
Lovely.
Lovely. Goodbye. See when we get off.